I don't need to read this paragraph now. Yeah. Well, ladies and gentlemen of the press, I wish now to read before you the Greek text of the communique, which refers to the 8th IGAD Ministerial Facilitation Committee on the Somali National Reconciliation Conference, which was held here from yesterday, Thursday the 15th, and today, Friday the 16th July 2004. The composition of those in attendance is given in the communique, both on the part of the ministers and also on the part of the IGAD Partners Forum. And therefore, I want to read out the substantive issues in the communique. The ministers expressed their gratitude and commended the progress made on the Somali peace process by members of the IGAD Facilitation Committee and reconferred to them the robust mandate in order to push the peace process to a successful conclusion. Ministers also held the visit of His Excellency Kofi Annan, the Secretary General, United Nations, to Baghdadi on July the 8th, 2004, and has called on the Somali delegates to heed the deadline of the 31st July 2004 set by the 6th IGAD Ministerial Facilitation Committee meeting. Hailed further the return of the Somali political and traditional leaders to the third and final phase of the conference and called on the Somalis to remain focused in their quest towards the formation of an all-inclusive, broad-based government of the Somali Republic. Called upon Somali delegates to honor and be fully committed to the deadline set by the IGAD Ministerial Facilitation Committee of the 31st July 2004. They agreed to inaugurate the Transitional Federal Assembly on the occasion of their 9th IGAD Ministerial Facilitation Committee meeting on 30th July 2004 at this venue. The ministers encouraged all stakeholders to uphold this commitment. Called further for transparency in the distribution and selection processes of members of parliament and reiterated that political leaders, politicians, and traditional leaders play their role. Congratulated the Hawiye and the Digger Rifle clans for presenting their lists of distribution of the parliamentary seats to the IGAD Facilitation Committee and directed all the remaining clans to submit their lists of distribution to the committee as soon as possible. Those clans that will not have agreed and presented their distribution list by Tuesday, the 20th of July 2004, will be referred for arbitration to arbitration committee whose decision will be final and binding. Underscored that the lists of selected members of parliament should be submitted to the facilitation committee not later than the 22nd July 2004 before the ministers' meeting in Djibouti. Reiterated that the peace process should come to its logical conclusion in the next 2 weeks, during which the members of parliament shall have been selected. They called upon all the delegates to be committed to the clan-based formula used as a basis for reconciliation and formation of the proposed transitional federal government. Welcome the statement by the President of the Security Council of the 14th July 2004 condemning those who want to obstruct the peace process and persist on the path of confrontation and conflict. They concurred that the Somali parties themselves bear the main responsibility of achieving their comprehensive peace agreement that would usher in an era of peace and tranquility in Somalia. I received a briefing on the progress made by the international community in preparing draft plans for support in the post-conference period for the transitional federal institutions. They reaffirmed their support to this effort and agreed that structured consultations on this matter will commence between IGAD Partners Forum and IGAD Facilitation Committee with the objective of endorsing concrete action plans during the next ministerial meeting. Endorse the plans of organizing a high-level dialogue with the Somali business community on peacemaking and peace-building efforts as part of Phase 3 to be held in Djibouti on the 21st and 22nd July 2004. They further expressed their gratitude to His Excellency Mr. Ismail Omar Guelleh, President of the Republic of Djibouti, who is hosting this crucial meeting. Emphasize further the resolution by IGAD member states to maintain regional cohesion and solidarity to see the Somali National Reconciliation Conference to a successful conclusion. Appealed to the IGAD member states, partners and international community to continue lending the much-needed financial support, particularly addressing debt settlement of the conference. Reaffirmed the need for better coverage of the conference by both the press and electronic media as earlier urged, and the development of a conference website to enable proper and accurate information dissemination to the wider Somali community within the diaspora. Thanked the government of the Republic of Kenya for according them cordial reception, warm hospitality, and for successfully hosting the 8th IGAD Ministerial Facilitation Committee meeting. The ministers agreed to meet again in Nairobi on Friday, the 30th of July 2004. July 2004, beg your pardon. Done in Nairobi on this 16th day of July, the year 2004. Yeah, we should also mention, the matter which is not reflected in the communique, that we this morning held consultations with the members of the Dir clan, one of the major Somali clans, in an effort to have them overcome their apparent difficulties in addressing the distribution of the seats amongst the sub-clan of that clan. And indeed, I think they are now adequately prepared to move forward. Thank you.
Yes.